Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to install VLC for Android on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open Google Play Store, click on search and here search for VLC for Android. And select it from the search result and click on install. And this will install the Android version of VLC Media Player on your Chromebook. Once the installation is done, simply close Play Store. Now to use VLC, simply click on launcher icon and look for VLC application. Simply click on it to open. Here you will get welcome screen. Click on next and allow all the required permission. Then click on this back button and click on next. If you get a prompt for notification, simply click on allow, then click on done. Now you are ready to use VLC Media Player on your Chromebook. If you want to resize the window, simply click on this drop down menu icon and from here you can simply resize your window. So that's it. This is how you can install and use VLC for Android on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.